This is a standard two-car garage that the homeowners wanted to make better use of. They wanted to clean it up, add more storage, and really it was a blank slate. Like any good garage, it was slowly becoming a dumping ground for all the stuff that they didn't want in the house. They had some closed storage and a few things hanging on the wall, but other than that, really everything was just being dumped onto the floor. So we partnered with Garage Living to give this space a proper makeover. So obviously the homeowners had a wish list, which included a dust-free environment. They wanted a sink, some counter space, some closed storage, a lot of closed storage, and some hanging storage. So we worked with Garage Living to incorporate all of these elements into the plans. The great thing about Garage Living is that they have a fully customizable system. So we're not just talking in terms of function, where they can really tailor the storage to your needs and the things that you own, but also in terms of aesthetics. So you can choose your color palette and really make it shine. First on the wish list was to get rid of the dust, and the best way to do that is to seal the floor.
Our floor coating, it's a proprietary polyaspartic coating called Floortex, and basically it's a treatment that's applied directly to the concrete. It's extremely durable, UV stable, it cures rapidly, so we're able to keep our project length quite short. It's not permeable, so oil, snow and salt, or just simply dust, and it's easy to keep clean. So as great as it looks today, it'll look like that in years to come, just with soap and water.
Come in all kinds of colors, and the color's even customizable if you want to take it that extra step. Now for the ultimate in hanging storage, we've got slat walls. Not just one slat wall, all the slat walls. And this is great because this is super customizable to exactly what you own.
It's brought on site in long lengths, and we cut that down, made to measure based on the walls and the configuration of the space. It looks quite seamless. We have color matching trim as well, so we're able to finish it off quite nicely.
What I love about a slat system is the accessories, because they're movable. They lock into place, so they're not going to shift around if you accidentally bump into them. But what's great is that you can decide to reconfigure your garage. If you buy another bike or you get into snowboarding, whatever it is you need, you can add, remove, move around. It's kind of perfect. We've got hanging baskets for loose sports equipment. We've got extra chairs for when you have a dinner party. There are also hanging shelves. They have the vented shelves, which are cut to order, and those are really just more counter space if you need it. Just another surface to drop things that aren't on your floor. Everybody loves closed storage. You can just tuck everything away. And what's great about this is, once again, it's customizable, and you can even add a sink and some countertop surface for work area.
Our GL Signature cabinetry is made right here in North America. It is a welded steel construction, so it's not fastened together with nuts and bolts. It comes in a variety of different sizes and shapes, so we're able to create a custom fitted solution to nearly every space that we have to work with.
The storage can also act as a mudroom area if you want to tuck away all of your shoes and your skates. It's a convenient way to avoid that puddle of shoes that would be in front of your door. The homeowners were lucky to have this awesome garage, and we were lucky enough to have a blank slate to work with, and we were able to completely make over the space to not only complement their lifestyle, but also add value to their home. Your garage welcomes you home and invites you to stay. It's an extension of your home. It's a room that is very much used, so you might as well make the most of it.